Lactantius, Epitome, Episode 19. Si ergo singuli non possunt omnia, minus habent virium, minus potestatis. After saying in the previous portion that the individual gods have different responsibilities and jurisdictions, Lactantius concludes and says, if therefore the individual gods singuli, this is masculine plural and nominative. It is the subject of possunt and has reference to dei. If therefore the individual gods are not capable, non possunt, in every respect or over all things, then, implied, minus virium habent, they possess less strength, minus virium. Minus is neuter, singular, and accusative, and it is the object of habent. They possess less, what? Less virium, with a partitive genitive. Virium is feminine, plural, and genitive, and is from the third declension irregular noun vis, meaning power or strength. If individual gods do not have power in all respects, then they have less virium, less strength or efficacy, and they have minus potestatis, less authority. As the previous instance of minus, this one is neuter, singular, and accusative. It is the second object of habent, and like virium, potestatis is feminine and genitive, but unlike virium, it is singular. The whole, then, of this neat and compact sentence, if therefore individual gods do not have power universally over all things, then they have less strength and less authority.